Okay, so check engine light came on, so I'm gonna plug in the scanner. But when I go to plug it in, it doesn't power on. It typically should just power on once you have the key. So we're gonna see if we can fix the problem. So, all right, it's plugged in. There's your port right there. So this should automatically power up. As you can see, I have the key on. Nothing. I'll even turn the vehicle on. No power. So what I've been told is that sometimes the dealer will pull the fuse that powers your port because they don't want you doing a self scan. They want you to bring it in. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's just what I've been told. So we're going to open this up and see if that fuse is missing. Open this port up. Alright. So these should all be 7.5. So let's check these fuses right here. Okay, let's check these. I'm understanding this one's supposed to be 7.5. It looks fine. Let's check this one. Oh, there it is. Looks like we got a break right there. Let's just check this other one. Okay, this is the one. Let's see. Yep, you can see the break there. All right, so we're gonna replace these. This was a 5. It's not broken. I guess we'll put that back. I thought that was supposed to be a 7.5. So we'll just go ahead and put that back. Okay, 7.5. Awesome. All right. Let's turn the key on. Boom. There we go. So easy as that. So if your port's not working, it's not powering up, that's probably the issue. Again, it looks like the fuse was there. It just blew for some reason. But I have been told that a lot of times dealers will take those out just so you have to bring it in and have them do it, which is understandable. They want to make money. So anyway, hope that helps. So I just wanted to check because that was kind of bugging me. I thought that was supposed to be 7.5. I just want to make sure that it is a 5. So if you don't know, here's your little manual right here. So go through this. Yep, here we go. So, okay, so it is supposed to be a 5. 7.5, 7.5, 2525. All right, good deal. So this is great to look at, but if you don't have it, here's what it's supposed to be. So just go through there and check all your fuses. Anytime I go to the salvage, I always grab a few fuses, grab a handful, give them a couple bucks. And on the back, it kind of tells where everything's at as well. So anyway, I just wanted to verify that was 5. It was kind of bugging me a little bit. So.